Alright, motherfuckers. Listen up. So, basically, there's usually like a spacer right there, and it lifts, it gets the geometry right for the, for the sway bar. So this sits like way up here, but then it's really close to this. It pretty much touches it when I do a full lock. So what I'm doing is since I put this spacer on here, it pulls it up about 1.5 inches. So I want to push this back up because I don't want it way down here. I want it to be right, So between the lowering on the suspension and the lowering of this, I need to just get this back up there. So when the kit's $190 for a set of these, it comes with bushings and shit. You think to yourself, what can I do to fix that? So I cut it. I did that. And then I cut these, and they're gonna go on there and be like normal height. Get my other one right here. Boop. I gotta clean these ones up, just like I did that. Weld it. And then